Well, country music star Morgan Wallen pleads guilty after throwing a chair off the rooftop of Broadway bar Chiefs, nearly hitting two police officers on the street below. Now you're looking at video of Wallen walking out of the downtown detention center back in April after his arrest. News 2 is in the courtroom today as Wallen was sentenced. And Caitlin Quisenberry joins us in studio with more on what happened in court. Caitlin?
Mark, Morgan Wallen and his legal team walked into the room calm and collected. The courtroom proceedings lasted under an hour and ended with Wallen pleading guilty to lesser charges. April 7th, Morgan Wallen was at Chiefs on Broadway when officers witnessed a chair thrown from 6 stories above the street, landing 3 feet away from officers. Since then, his lawyer says Wallen has cooperated with authorities and apologized to all involved parties. Today, Wallen pled guilty to 2 misdemeanor reckless endangerment charges rather than felony reckless endangerment. His plea was followed by the district attorney stating both officers, who were almost hit, approved the plea deal. Throughout the hearing, Wallen repeatedly answered that he was, quote, conditionally guilty.
Your Honor, I'd like to say that Officers Gavin Treese and Officer Holikov were both consulted about this plea and both approved it.
Are those facts true and correct?
Substantially, yes. Substantially, yes.
Are you waiving your right here today and entering a plea of guilty in your pending case?
Conditionally guilty, yes. Conditionally guilty, yes, ma'am.
The judge accepted his plea and sentenced Wallen to 7 days at a DUI education center and 2 years on probation, a $350 fine, and payment of court fees. Following the completion of his probation, Wallen can have his charges cleared from his record as a first-time offender. Mark.